Welcome. Pull up a chair. When the world starts changing, we need to sit down together and unfold these plans to find our way forward. We start by looking at the landscape. We might notice the river is rising or the wind is shifting. This is how we observe what's happening outside our doors. But just watching the clouds doesn't build a roof. These observations give us the facts, but they don't tell us what to do next. The real work begins when we decide exactly how to respond to those changes. It's the difference between standing on the porch watching the rain fall and grabbing a shovel to dig a trench. One is just seeing, the other is deciding. To move forward, we have to stop watching the horizon and start making choices about what we are actually going to build on this land. Before we pick up a hammer, we need to picture the finished town as it will stand 5 years from now. We need to see that destination clearly. To hold up that big picture, we drive massive, heavy-duty posts deep into the ground. These act as our foundation. Each post represents a specific direction we choose to follow, like mastering a craft or protecting the community. We might be tempted to use 20 different sticks to support every idea, but then wood snaps under pressure. If we try to be everything at once, the structure falls. By committing to just 2 or 3 strong supports, we create a base that won't budge. Every building choice we make from here on out will be guided by these few points. Because we only have so much lumber and so much time, we have to be careful with our supplies. If we use our wood to build a bridge across the water, it means we cannot use that same wood to build a tower on the hill. Moving forward means having the discipline to say no to a perfectly good tower, because the bridge is what our plan actually requires. Once we commit to the bridge, we must spend time learning the craft, mastering the tools and joints needed to keep the wood together. When one person learns a better way to brace the beams, they teach the others. That shared knowledge makes the whole community stronger. Mastering these specific skills and accepting what we have to leave behind is how we turn a drawing on a page into a real physical place. The blueprints we started with are now full of ink. Every corner shows a deliberate choice we've made together. But even the best plan is just a daydream if we don't do the work. A vision only becomes real when we have the grit to pick up the tools and execute. A great plan gives us confidence because it balances a big, ambitious goal with the practical, achievable steps we need to take every day. A community changes when people finally decide what to build and what to walk away from. This kind of planning is something we do together, and it never truly ends. There is always an open chair here for you.